Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the PLC model and firmware so you match compatibility, and you connect the programming cable to the correct port. Once done, open your IDE and confirm the controller appears in the device list, because IDE detection prevents mismatched transfers. Make sure the PLC is in the correct run or program state per vendor instructions, and confirm power, grounding, and network settings to avoid corrupt transfers before proceeding to read the existing program. Now read the controller's memory into your IDE. Choose the online read or upload command and allow the software to import program blocks and tag databases, which preserves logic and addresses. Once the read completes, export the project files in a source format and create a full archive including I/O mapping and configuration settings. This keeps hardware and software consistent. Make a timestamped backup and verify checksums or file sizes to ensure the export matches the To finish, connect to the target PLC and confirm firmware compatibility to avoid runtime faults. Then download the archived project using the IDE's write or download function. After transfer, update network addresses and safety interlocks, and force minimal outputs initially so you can observe behavior without risk. Once confident, place the PLC in run mode and monitor key signals. If errors occur, check version mismatches, missing libraries, or corrupted tags first. Restoring your timestamped backup is the fastest recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.